Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if the NVIDIA Share feature is not working properly or not responding on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing I recommend doing would be to restart your computer. So that was one potential workaround. Something else we can try here as well, if you are able to go onto NVIDIA's website, so go ahead and open up a web browser and search for NVIDIA graphics drivers. Go ahead and search for that. Go ahead to nvidia.com, go on the official website here, and you want to go ahead and enter in your product type, series, as well as any other relevant information here. And then go ahead and search NVIDIA's website and then download any applicable hardware ready for your device. So go ahead and download and install any up-to-date drivers. So that's one thing I would try as well. You may also want to consider reinstalling the GeForce Experience through the control panel or through apps and features in the modern UI, whichever is more convenient, and then go back onto NVIDIA's website and download the GeForce Experience once again. So a few different potential workarounds to explore. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.